Who has joined us today. Many of you in the media have been with us, it seems month after month, year after year, when there has been a new recall of a drop-side crib. 12 million drop-side cribs have been recalled since 2007, and unfortunately we have continued to be able to purchase those, which is why you always have visuals, and they're sitting here. But because of the incredible efforts that have been made by Kids in Danger and Nancy Coles, U.S. Representative Jan Schakowsky, and the partnership that we have had with the wonderful people from SIDS Illinois, as well as Illinois Action for Children, we can finally stand here today and say that we have been successful in not only pressuring and working with the CPSC, but also in working with Congress and working to ensure that crib designs are going to be safe, that cribs are going to be tested, that we know when we put our child down to sleep, our very small, precious infant to sleep, that that crib will not be the cause of their death. And so I'm very, very proud of that. As you know, the Illinois Attorney General's office has taken very aggressive action over these past 5 years to get to this day. We have investigated and we have litigated against manufacturers of these dangerous cribs. But we've also worked with all of the people here to educate parents in particular about the dangers of drop-side cribs, to ensure that we have safe sleep environments. We have issued numerous urgent consumer alerts, and we have put out a Rest Assured guide on unsafe children's sleep products. We also, and I really want to highlight this in terms of ongoing safety and enforcement, we also have a recall hotline. So parents, caretakers, people should call us when they have a question about whether or not a crib or any other item is safe for their child. And if they see drop-side cribs for sale, whether it is at a common retailer, or if it is a secondhand store, or if it's at a yard sale, we want them to reach out and call us and let us know so we can make sure that that product is removed from the marketplace and does not end up in a home where it can potentially prove to be deadly. And the number for that, one would think, would be on my notes, but I will get it for you in a moment. Here, Nancy has it for me. So our recall hotline number is 888-414-7678. So please, please call if you see a drop-side crib for sale anywhere. Call if you cannot get the certification that the crib is in fact safe and meets the new safety standards. Call if you simply have questions and want to be assured that the product that you are purchasing is one that is going to be safe in your home. Let me see if there's anything else that nobody else has mentioned. I do want to mention one last thing, and I think Representative Schakowsky did a very beautiful job in recognizing the families who have lost children to dangerous cribs. I think all of us would agree that it's taken too long for this day to come. There are 32 infants who died in dangerous cribs that the Consumer Product Safety Commission confirmed died because of the flaws in these cribs. There are another 14 that died that the Consumer Product Safety Commission strongly believes died because of faulty cribs. That is far too many deaths, that is far too many tragedies in families for us to have endured. And so while I am happy to be here to celebrate these changes, it still took too long. CPSC, we are thankful, has new leadership, but they continue to need to be more responsive and to act faster. And we need to continue to have great advocates like we have here today to be on the front lines of ensuring that safety for all products, particularly children's products, is a priority and not one that takes 12 million recalls and too many years to put in place. So with that, I'm very happy that my children are no longer in cribs, but if they were, I would be much happier to know that they would be in safe cribs. Thank you.